Right, here we are at James House 47 Hotene Street. It's the 2nd of May. The painters there, they're into their work. They've finished plastering. You can see they've covered up all the windows and everything, and it's not getting painted. Builders have just changed out this glass, put wood in there instead. They've sanded down this door and planed it down. That's really good. That's really good Remo wood, I think he said. Solid, heavy. Remo, did you say? Yeah. Just got a wood from. There's two buildings. And so this is what the lounge looks like at the moment. That's the painter's gear and the builders doing their things. There's the ranch cider. The kitchen's fully covered. Dehumidifier, a few more painter's gears. You can see all of the electrical outlets, etc. are covered over with these so they don't get paint on them. All the doors have been taken down so they can be resized and then painted, because they're going to be thickened by a few millimeters. Here's your toilet. Here's your bathroom, new vanity. You can see the vinyl's going to come up the walls all around. Bedroom 1. There's a few doors that they've been working on. Bedroom 2 looks pretty similar. Bedroom 3, here are the handsome men, and that's where we're at.